Okay guys, so we are going to Bear Lake today. We're going to Bear Lake. I live in Utah, so if you don't know what it is, I don't know really what it is either, but all I know is that we're going to Bear Lake and it's in Utah. But we're going there today and I'm going to be showing you some footage of like cool stuff. So yeah, I'll see you when I get there.
Bear Lake, June 12th. Jacob visiting. You might hear him in the background.
Hey, what's happening? Volleyball. Hey, Dad, you gonna see me make a goal?
Who's this person? Hannah Spiker. Abby Setter.
Setter? Are we allowed to go on that thing? Oh, it is? Sorry. Rotate.
What thing?
The trampoline thing.
No, you have to rent it. We didn't rent it.
Pop it. Lock it.
Okay.
No, pop
Right
it.
there last.
Nobody hit the photographer.
Go. Where were you?
Nobody hit the photographer. Oh. Oh. What do you have to say about that?
Pop it, pop it, pop it.
I'm the photographer. I got it.
You're right there. You're gonna get hit in the face.
When you hit it, don't hit the photographer.
And Abby, you're in the middle. Abby, you're in the middle. Oh, so I'm right here.
There we go. Wow, wow. What's
Positions, come on.
There you go, Ben.
Oh, wow. Oh, no, hit the photographer.
Arthur. Arthur.
Rotate, Ben. Rotate.
No. Stop.
I don't know if I got that very good, Ben. That was a good hit,
In your
though.
middle, Ben. Middle.
Ben, you're back
vacuum.
middle.
Clean up vacuum.
Clean up
This is my
vacuum.
chance to shine.
Ooh.
That's you.
Ooh.
That's you. That's you. That's you.
Yes.
Oh. Oh! Oh, no.
We had it. We had it. He was doing it. We were doing it.
What a video I got.
What a
Okay.
video.
The one rally we've done. Fucking right. It's yours. God.
Oh, wow. That was a good dive, huh? Again,
In the middle.
be careful of the photographer.
No promises.
Yeah, if you get in the
Why
way,
do
we
you
might
get a shirt on if I'm on video, right?
Oh, oh, that was not a good serve.
California Beach Project.
We'll give you a princess serve.
Everybody look at the dad.
Oh!
All right, rotate.
I'm on camera, so no pressure.
All right, Jacob, let's see it. Mine! Good job. I got it.
Oh, Maddie! That was horrible.
Okay, it hit this arm.
Oh, what happened?
That way.
Oh, okay.
Rotate. No, try again. Let me try again.
Princess double.
Can I just serve it like you rotate every
Sure.
time?
Let's get it over. Hannah!
I think that's out. Oh no, I think that's
Okay, that's enough volleyball.
Thank you.
Thank you. Can make sure
Ha!
rotate.
Goodbye.
Oh, you're gonna turn it off now?
Yeah, what do you want me to do? Oh, bench serve. I was just saying goodbye. Whoa, look at that!
That was so good, dude.
Ooh. Oh, Tara, that almost got you.
That would have been funny. Knock her out.
Here comes the jet ski, I think.
Are we gonna go?
You can go again.
Good job, dude. Nice serve.
Oh, Jackson, way to dig!
Kaylee,
you gotta finish it. Kaylee, you gotta suck it up, Kaylee!
I'm getting points off my serves.
Kaylee's a swimmer. Yeah, I don't do this.
Get it, Abby! Got it! Whoever you are!
Okay, we're going on the jet ski now. Right out there.
Wait, I'm gonna serve.
Wait, I wanna go with Mom.
The puppy's way bigger, guys. Update, she can walk now and everything. Wow, she's so cute. Right, Oldie? She cute? So yeah. Thanks for watching, and what does the puppy have to say? Oh, it's walking! Yeah, like and subscribe. See you on the next vlog. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Hi, little girlie. How are you doing? Oh. They named her Goldie, by the way, if you're wondering. I think it fits her. Comment down below if you think it fits her. But they named it Goldie, so yeah.